Church kami ng pre. Happy birthday to me! Yay! Church kami ng pre.
Oh.
Here's the church. It's on my birthday. Food for today. With T-Fam. Huli. So, main cam mo is 20. Initially 20. Hindi
Wala pa matanggal ka eh.
O, diba? Wait, wait, may see.
Ay, isa 20. Bakit ganun?
16 plus 5.
21. Ako sa 13.
Wait lang, yan. Simutin mo yan. Baka ilan lang dyan, probably.
Ito kasi pre, we have...
Kami with family. Let's go. Got the toga. Yes, IKEA. Natatakot siya, baka matrap siya. Long line.
Pwede ka pala sa malapit. Gusto mo.
Pwede yan. Happy birthday to me! Stage.
Critical.
From the College of Engineering, here are the graduates from the Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. My report is done, and a while ago, after ng meeting namin with the whole team, with the project management team, with the subcontractors, with our team then as well, I talked with our construction manager dun sa project management side because we updated yung mga finish dates and kung paano namin i-monitor yung per activities, which is a good indication na align kami. Kumbaga kung ano yung nasa schedule, kung ano yung ginagawa namin activities on site, then kung ano yung nire-report namin are all aligned. Which is a good sign kasi coordination naman dapat lagi. And at the same time, kaya hinihingi nung construction manager yung report and kailangan align kami ng mga dates and percentages of accomplishment kasi nire-report din niya yun sa client. Okay, as we know, the project management team or the construction management team are the representative of the client. If in case that the client is not a technical person or wala siyang time para mag-monitor sa site. So, that's it. Bye-bye! Beside me. Yeah, let's go. Okay, diretso daw, loves.
Are you happy? Saan happy ang pa?
Sakta lang.
Laki oh.
Yeah,
Kasi may
malaki.
parang patio or ewan ko ano tawag.
Yeah, maganda, loves.
May mga teres-teres pa.
I-ask ko ilan yung parking nila later. Ah, talaga? Nice!
And then, overlooking nga rin itong dito. So, pag may mga dumating tubig, and then dito
Yeah. Hindi, pero sa venue lang ata yun. Pero alam ko comes with ano yun. Check mo yun.
Oh, may ano pa
Ang tamis ng ano nila, loves. I'm already done with the urine, vital, blood collection, physical exam, eye checkup. Yeah, we're going to the x-ray. Yeah. Chef Jessing. We're back here again at the lobby. Keep it nice. Tita Ria, waiting. Rota. Yes! Whee! Here we are. Hello! Let's go. Let's enjoy tonight with our bride. Ang paghahanda. Surprise! Yee! Yes! Yan! Yay! Woo! Yan! Nice one! Yeah! Yan! Yan!
Uy, may alas 9 akong PC.
Wala kami sa kailan!
Oh! Titi lang yan.
Daming oras!
Ano hindi dapat yan, no?
Oo, kami sa'yo, magalit si ate.
Exemption ka daw. Isa-isahin dyan na, papayag na ako.
Oh, nice one. Take two.
Okay, picture.
Bigla nagbago. Tumatawa, oh!
Okay. Ulit. Start. Pagbigyan natin.
Ano na, 5 seconds na. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Ang liit eh! Ang liit ng bibig!
Hindi ganyan kanina sa practice, ah.
Walang bakas ng bibig, Tita Bin! Naputol eh!